So we're gonna mock up the gearbox in here to figure out where we're gonna make this hole and if it's gonna fit. So Nathan's just gonna do all the heavy lifting for us. We're gonna need a bell housing. Alright, let's see how she fits though.
I was going to sing a song then, but I didn't know what to sing. I started with nah nah yeah, and then I started with freaking somebody that I used to know. Didn't know what I wanted.
I like the transitions that you went through there.
I could do a mashup.
Wrong bolts.
No, they are right.
You sure about that?
No, they're not the right bolts.
Jeez, it's almost like I knew that one.
How the bloody hell are they?
How the bloody hell are you?
How the bloody hell are you, mate?
These ones might work a bit better now.
Thanks, mate. They're a bit longer, eh?
I think these are the right ones.
Actually, no, they're not right either.
What?
No.
So that's on?
I feel like these are easy to get to from the top.
Yeah, they are. But that's okay. It's alright.
That's alright. That's why we have these sort of things.
The bendy things?
Bendy.
Alright.
Alright, bell housing's on. Now we'll get this thing in. Now, these things are usually pretty heavy to put in by yourself. But, you know.
Nate's super strong.
Alright, engine is too far.
So straight away we're seeing a problem.
Engine needs to come down.
I'll just bring it right down, that way we can get to the bolts easy.
Yeah, I just don't want to rip the
Oh, the radiator hoses.
not radiator hoses, the engine mount. Because they're not young. Just saying a few years ago. She's lucky I've been working out.
Oh shit. Actually, no. Oh, we got a bit of work on our hands. Shit, we got a notch and gusset it.
Yep.
That's not too bad, it's easy. Lucky you know a fabricator's son.
Apparently his son had the same skills.
Yeah. I've done my fair share at a sheet metal shop, so I know a little bit.
You know, you're Imperial, that's why we couldn't get in.
So how many bolts you get? 2?
2, which we'll just do for temporary mock-up.
2 will do?
2 will do. At least for now, and then I'll go to the bolt shop. There's a hoist there, what's your head? That hurt?
Yep.
Oh.
Cross member?
Well, cross member won't work until we get this cleared.
Yeah, we can see how much we've got to cut out.
Huh?
We can see how much we've got to clear it.
I can go up with this. The cross member won't fit because this won't. This
Oh,
needs to be high for the cross member. It's about 1 inch, I reckon, by memory. But the shifter sits forward about here.
Yeah, that's what I'm...
The shifter sits here,
Yeah.
so it comes up in roughly the same spot. And then you just bend the shifter, you shoot the actual arm over a bit. But yeah, that's where she needs to be cut to. That's the scary part. You want to cut it around about there. And roughly, these are pretty accurate. Roughly there.
Get your head out of the way.
My big head, my
Big
noggin.
head.
Get your noggin out of the way. Cut here. Oh, not there because I went offline.
You nervous, Michelle?
I'm very nervous.
That's easy.
Yeah, it's not your car. Look at you. You're like, yeah, let's do it. Just get
I
the
sound like
car
Steve-O
out.
again, do I?
Yeah.
Well, you want forward goodness behind your thong slapper, you know, you need to cut some
Why do they
stuff.
call them thong slappers?
Because that's what it sounds like.
How?
It literally sounds like 2 thongs slapping together. These
How?
the 253s and the 308s.
We need a pair of thongs and we need to prove this theory. There's no going back after this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. Your cross member will never be the same again.
I'm cutting a hole. Here goes nothing.
I've got water ready.
and we just measure how far it's got to come across that way.
I think we just make it.
We'll just make it
than
longer
we
and then
need
we'll
to,
just trim
and
it.
We'll just trim it back
Okay.
because we'll make a few test fits.
Yeah, you get some good, like, you know, like the butcher's paper, the good stuff they
Yeah.
use. Oh, mate,
Fabricators, nah.
not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
I mean, yeah,
I think. How does it feel at the top? Is
Perfect.
it close? Oh, we can just weld that straight there. Hang on, hold that there. Hold it. With fingers. It'd be easier to cut the curve from the backside instead of the inside.
but yeah.
Yeah. So ground up all the old paint off. So we can get our piece in and lay a weld. And then I've ground the inside as well. Get some tape.
That's better.
What are we doing, Michael?
So we got the piece in, so we got a little bit of a gap here. So we're just going to gently massage that using the Sally's no gaps, and close her up. Lovely. It almost looks like we had no idea what we were doing. That side looks really good, so all the videoing we'll do from this side. This side, not so good.
Well, chicka, well, well.
Wah, wah, wah.
Well, chicka. Oh, the hammer's there, damn it. That looks good. Not the prettiest.
Yeah, pretty, but she'll work.
That's it.
The grinder's my friend today. I'm getting very well acquainted with it. Well, she's had some grinding work done, but once we put some seam sealer on that, that'll come up nicely.
Now we're probably going to call it a day soon. We're going to mock it up. We're going to put the gearbox on. We'll put the cross member on. Make sure it all fits. There's no cutting stuff to make it fit more. Make sure we've got enough play in here. That's cold. Yeah.
And I'll measure it up too to make sure to find out if I need to get a drive shaft made.
Oh, actually, yeah, we could sit your one on.
Yeah.
I reckon it's gonna have to though. Actually, no, that boxy. Anyway, we'll get to that point. Parts.
Look at all the butcher paper.
Oh my god! So we used that shitty bit of notebook paper for our template when we were saying we need butcher's paper. Oh, the stickers that we can put on the door.
No, we're doing that right now.
Yeah, of course. Yep. We've got the cross member in.
We managed to get her in. Took a little bit of loving, but it
It's,
got there.
It touches the floors. It touches the floors where it bends up.
Yeah.
But if
Just.
like on this side it misses, and this side it touches. Like HQs aren't built perfectly.
Yeah.
But that's where it's going to sit. We've just got that jammed in there at the moment to get the height because we didn't put it in.
Yeah.
But it looks good.
Yeah, it looks alright. It's definitely going to clear pipes.
Yeah.
Castlemaine reckon that they've bent the like made this to suit bigger pipes,
Yeah.
which is good because we're going to upgrade the pipes on this. But it looks like it's going to work. It's in this right spot as far as
Yeah. We've got
Where that
plenty of
mount's
room
gotta go.
around our hole.
so it looks pretty good to me.
Yeah.
Actually, I can slip the yoke in. Just have a look.
That's what I was thinking too.
You got to be yoking.
Yeah.
So 1555 was the distance of the old gearbox to the diff flange. So if you can hold that up against the flange of that. Yep, longer, it's shorter.
Shorter.
Yep, so it's 1485. Substantially shorter.
Easier to make it shorter than longer.
Well, that's true, isn't it? 1555 minus 1485, 70 mil shorter.
That's it.
So I get my drive shaft shortened by 70 mil.
That's the magic number.
So I'll try to do that this week, I reckon.
Well, that way we can get the gearbox in and basically get it driving
Yeah.
next weekend. I think, you know, We do 2 big days on it.
Gearbox, yeah, but we've still got stuff like the exhaust.
Oh yeah, nah. I reckon we could just have it like driving, gearbox wise,
Oh, yeah.
not
yeah.
exhaust done.
Yeah. So, payday's on Monday, so I've got to buy some parts. This seems to be going together pretty well. You know, happy with the hole. We'll seam seal that and bitumen paint it to make it look nice and pretty. But I'm happy with it. What about you?
I'm happy with it. Looks really nice in, and I just love how they've arched it, because the pipe is going to look really nice through there.
Yeah. So I got to get myself a set of extractors as well too, because Nathan's making me do an exhaust.
Oh yeah, I'm forcing you to do it. You know.
You are. You pretty much said if you don't do it, he'll hurt me.
Yeah, I did say that.
I'm pretty happy with that, and we can leave this like this now because it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
It's gonna stay there. I reckon that'll do for today. What do you reckon?
I think so.
Time to clean the shed.
I think so. I mean, we can clean up and then get out of here.
Then it's time for a kebab.
Time for
Just something different.
That's what I like to see. Some work on the car. I'm not here for 1 day.
No, exactly. You weren't here for 1 day, and look what happens.
It's a cub house.
I know. It's my little. I've set up like a little circus tent in here, mainly because I didn't want to burn the car down. But I made this.
I was gone for 1 day. That looks cool though. What's that?
It's a dog house. They're called dog house or dog box? What do they call it? That covers something.
I know that you go in the dog house if you say something bad.
Nah, well, you know how we were talking about putting a.
Oh, we're going to put a boot over it, yeah.
The trouble is, because it dips down like that, there's no way we're going to get a boot to seal. And I think with the new cross member that Castlemaine Rod Shop make, I think actually sends the gearbox a little bit higher.
Yeah.
So it comes through a lot more than what it ever used to when I did it the first time.
Yep.
So what I tried to do is I need to basically make a level ground or a level area that I can actually put a boot on. It's basically ready to go. I just got to weld it in place, weld her in, and then she's good to go. But then we got to seam seal it and paint it. So we need to get that done. But apart from that, I spent all day doing this yesterday. And don't look at the weld. Nathan just pointed out to me that this is overkill. He's probably right, but I love nutserts. Nutserts like changed my life. Oh, do you want to know a hack?
Yeah.
I went to Josh's the other night, right? And we had chicken tacos, right? You know how you get soft shell and you get hard shell tacos? You know how when you have the crunchy ones, like you take one bite and it'll just go everywhere?
Yeah.
Put the hard shell taco, make it with a hard shell taco, and then get a soft shell taco on the outside.
You're kidding
and
me.
you get the best of both worlds. And when you crunch it and you eat it, it just all falls into the soft shell and it's amazing. Changed my life. I was like, yeah, I never thought
That's
of this.
actually blown my mind.
I know.
How has no one ever thought of that?
I know.
Mate, what are you up to? You can't even walk straight. You're that excited. Are you excited to see some booger welds, Loki? Yeah, you are.
You reckon that's good?
Yep.
Nice.
Alright.
Did you just break it? Yeah.
Fire?
Yeah, big fire. Well, I never want to do that again. That sucked. Hope it's in the right spot, because she's in there now.
I bloody hope so too.
I thought, oh, should we try the console and test fit it? I'm like, nah.
This doesn't fit. Oh, Friggy, you've plenty of room.
It covers it, obviously, so that's good.
Looks good.
And you'll never know. You'll never know what we did. Oh, I mean, you.
Except for everyone that's watching.
This will know.
Everyone's going to see this car and be like, pretty sure that's got a boogered up box.
Yeah, but I'm not selling it, so I don't care. It's my problem to do. Look at how dirty it is. You know how much fun me and you are going to have detailing this once this is all over?
A lot of fun.
Well, you are. Time to hide the crimes. And all the crimes. There's a voice there, Nate.
We might need to do a couple of codes.
It's good.
Oh wow, oh my god, look at those welds. They're almost professional grade.
What welds? There's no welds here. Remember folks, this is why it's Hackshop and not Perfection Shop. I'm happy with that. What about you?
Yeah, that looks good. Yeah, no, that looks a lot better.
You can't see any of the welds.
Yeah.
So we let the seam sealer dry for a couple of days, and then we just hit it with some bitumen paint just to let it blend in a little bit more with the rest of the interior, and it looks alright, realistically. I mean, you're never going to see it anyway, and no one's really ever going to know it's even there, but it serves its purpose. It seals, no water or anything's going to come through, so she's good. Happy with that.
I need a torch. Someone pass me a torch.
I don't know what I'm doing. So Nathan's just discovered something cool about what happens when you just try to weld into the air and you get your rods coming through.
You get Harry Potter noise boxes. I can't. That's just too funny.
Yeah, that's gold.
Oh god, that's funny.
Fabricators.
Alright.